Okay, we're looking at a beam antenna. We're trying to get it tuned up here between, well, we're looking for a null or an SWR minimum down here around 7 megahertz. So how are you're tuning the inductor? It's got an MFJ Roller Inductur tuner, and we're looking for a moving these things down this way. So they're not moving. Are you rotating the inductor?
I don't know how close I am to the end yet.
Well, it's...
I see the impedance is going up. Green.
Well, we don't want that. That's 250 ohms. We want it to come down to...
Here comes the spike. You're looking.
Keep going. Now we're getting somewhere. Keep going.
This is nothing like the
Okay.
RC-28, I'll tell
Now
you that.
stop for a second and let me narrow this down to a smaller range. Let me take this thing from 6 to, let's say, 8. And we're going to start the sweep again. Now, can you get something to come down? Give me a minimum around in here. Bring one of these SWR dips down into this range right here.
See what I can get with the inductor. Okay, that's
235, 217 is coming down. Let's see.
Am I going the right way?
It looks like you are.
That's what I thought too.
Keep going. Okay, I would stop about there for a second.
Oh, let's see. It's still dipping, Jeff, so I'm going
All right.
slowly.
Still dipping, all right. This is Jeff. I'm talking to Rich in New York, and I'm in California, and he's playing with his antenna tuner. And we're trying to you're getting looking better, and you're bringing this null down in here. Okay, let me zoom in on only 40 meters. Hang on a second here. Don't turn anything. To stop this, go up here just to 40 meters. Put it back into sweep mode. And these look pretty good. The minimum is 7.2. Now, what frequency do you normally operate 40 meters on?
7.2, 225, between 7.220 and 2.7.
Okay, so let me see, 7.220. Let's try putting a left marker here, and let's put a right marker up here, right,
Yep,
and then I'm going to zoom into that range, and here we are between, let me stop it and zoom to marker 1 and marker 2. Where's the marker 1? 7 point, I guess I got a left click, right click here, let's say, and then zoom to the 2 markers. There. Now I'm going to go back into sweep mode. Now we've moved it from 7.136 to 7.219. What's the frequency you like again?
7, you mean the center frequency?
Where would you like to operate your 40 meter antenna?
225.
225?
Yeah.
Okay, let me stop this again. We need to raise this up here to 7.3, let's just say. And then we go here 7.2. 7.2, and I can set those, and now let me just hit the enter key, and I'm going to go back into the sweep mode. So now, can you do anything with the 2 capacitors to lower the SWR even further? You're at 1.32 right now.
Yeah. Let me just fine tune the inductor first.
Okay, we want to move 7.225 is really right here. This is where we want to lower that SWR. It's pretty low.
Slow it down further if you're watching.
But keep moving. There you go. Slow down. I think you're 229. This is pretty good. 7.22. Oh, there you go. Stop right there and start. There you go. 225. Start playing with the capacitors a little bit. See if you can get that 1.3 down. 1.09. Now what did it there? Now 7.299, but it went up in frequency again.
Go the other way.
Turn the inductor. Hold on. You're down. Bring the inductor down now till you get to 7.225. roller inductor, 7.23, okay. Now fine tune your capacitors again. I think we're not going to do a whole lot better than this. 7.225. Whoops, what's that? That looks real good right there, except that well, no, that's perfect. Look at this. So the SWR, well, no, it could be lower. The SWR is 7.25. You could probably move that down to 7.225. 7.247, 249, 246, 240, 234, 235, 228. You're okay. How much are you rotating the inductor? Not much, huh?
Oh,
very little.
I know.
Okay.
That's close. I could go another. It's bouncing back and forth. Now let's try.
Go a little bit farther in that direction. It's a little bit farther, like 7.220. Whoops, wrong way.
I'm not touching it yet. Bouncing around. There we go. Bring it down. Yes.
Okay, now check here. You're at 50 ohms at the frequency you want to be at, and your SWR is down to 1.17. So this is how you use the analyzer to tune an antenna if you want to optimize it for a particular frequency. But the purpose of this exercise is so that Rich can tune his 80 meter and 160 meter dipole by lengthening it and shortening it. Not with the tuner, but actually physically changing the length of the antenna. He'll be monitoring this scope while whoever is making the changes to the length. Now, you can't, how much fold back do you have right now in your two dipoles? Have you folded back any of the dipole wire on either antenna? Is there any way to lengthen it, is what I'm saying?
Oh, you got to give me measurements to fold it back. I got to shorten them.
Okay, so yeah, if anything, you got to shorten them. All right, good. Well, we'll figure out how to fold them back, and this is the test, W6FCC with WZ2D in New York, playing with, what's that antenna tuner called?
MFJ-225 D Delta. MFJ 962 D Delta.
962 Delta. Okay. Well, I think it can actually tune just about a coat hanger, so it's a very good tuner, but you do have to get used to how to tune it. So that's it. It's July 28th, Saturday, and thanks to Rich, and I'm going to shut off this recording.